Namaskar. Today, let's talk about something extraordinary, that is ghee. Yes, the same common ghee that your mother and grandmother lovingly fed you. Pure ghee became a healthy villain few years ago, but now it's making a comeback as a superfood. Now, whether you are confused whether ghee is a villain or a hero in your health and fitness journey, then keep watching because today we are going to understand secrets of eating ghee every day. First, let's see what is ghee and why it is special. Ghee is a form of clarified butter. It's made by simmering milk or butter to remove milk solids and water, leaving behind pure golden fat. Pure ghee is full of essential nutrients like healthy fat, vitamin A, D, E, and K, antioxidants, and butyrate, a short chain fatty acid that's great for gut health. 1 tablespoon of ghee contains 130 calories and 15 grams of fat. Ghee is lactose free, so those who have dairy intolerance can also have ghee. You create ghee by removing milk solid. Because of this, it has a very small amount of lactose and casein. Ghee becomes a good source of fat for people who are lactose intolerant or have dairy allergy. Now let's look at the health benefits of consuming ghee daily. Ghee boosts digestion and improves your gut health. According to Ayurveda, ghee stimulates digestive fire or Agni, improving metabolism and improving better nutrient absorption. Major vitamins like A, D, E, and K are fat soluble vitamins, which means your body needs healthy fat to be able to use these vitamins. Ghee is full of such healthy fat which allows your body to absorb these vitamins. The butyrate in ghee also helps heal the gut lining and reduces inflammation. Next, ghee can help you manage your weight. Even research show that CLA or conjugated linoleic acid, which is present in ghee, helps burn stubborn fat. Understand that all fats are not bad. In fact, your body needs good fat, and the right fat with the right fitness regime can even help you lose weight. And ghee improves your brain function. Ghee has omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain health. Regular consumption is linked to better memory, concentration, and cognitive function. Then, did you know that healthy fat and vitamin E, which is present in ghee, keeps your skin glowing and hair healthy, and it strengthens your immunity and protect you from infection because of the antioxidants it had. Now let's look at the big question in your mind: how much ghee you should consume daily and what's the best way to include it in your diet. Let me give you a golden rule for this. Start with 1 to 2 teaspoons per day. Here are some easy ways to incorporate ghee in your routine. You can make ghee a part of your morning ritual by adding a teaspoon of ghee to warm water or milk and drink it first thing in the morning. This aids digestion and gives an instant energy boost. The second method is to use ghee instead of refined oil for cooking, sauteing vegetables, or tempering. Third, enjoy it on your chapati and parathas. If you want to be experimental, add it to your black coffee, a small dose of ghee, and your coffee becomes a perfect keto-friendly coffee alternative. Or you can relish ghee with rice or dal. And lastly, let's look at some common myths about ghee. The first myth is that ghee is unhealthy and causes weight gain. The truth is that when you eat ghee in moderation, it doesn't harm you. While it is true that ghee is rich in saturated fats, having it in moderation will not lead you to weight gain. Follow the principle that your calories in saturated fat should be less than 10% of your total calories that you consume in a day, whether you get that from ghee or any other fat source. Make sure to keep it under this percentage. The next myth about ghee is that it's bad for the heart. Excess ghee with sedentary lifestyle is what gives you cardiovascular problem. If you moderate your consumption of ghee and commit to at least 30 minutes of physical activity in a day, you will be fine. Another myth is that ghee is difficult to digest, but the reality is opposite. Ghee is easier to digest than other oils. as it contains butyric acid, which is considered beneficial for your digestive health. It can also prevent constipation. However, you must be mindful of your ghee intake. Always remember that excess of anything is going to harm your digestion. Remember, when consumed in moderation, ghee can be a tasty addition to your diet. So go ahead and enjoy your ghee with responsibility. It's not just an ancient tradition, it's a modern superfood with incredible benefits. Choose well, stay healthy, and keep nourishing your body in a right way. Namaskar.